नए सिटी पुलिस कमिश्नर सीवी आनंद ने चारशंबे को पंजागुट्टा पुलिस स्टेशन का चालक मुआयना किया और उसकी कारकर्दगी का जायजा लिया। बाद मीडिया से बातचीत करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि पंजागुट्टा पुलिस स्टेशन को 2017 में मुल्क के दूसरे सबसे बेहतरीन पुलिस स्टेशन का एजाज मिला था। सीवी आनंद ने बताया कि वीवीआईपी की नकल व हरकत और बंदोबस्त जैसे कामों के बोझ के बावजूद पंजागुट्टा पुलिस स्टेशन में मुर्द इल्तवा केसों की तादाद बहुत कम है। उन्होंने बताया कि पंजागुट्टा पुलिस स्टेशन का स्टाफ बड़ी तंदही और फर्श शिनासी के साथ सारे केसों से निपट रहा है।
After having taken charge as Commissioner of Police Hyderabad City, I have come here today to make a surprise visit of the most important police station of the city called Panjagutta. This police station was ranked number 2 in India in the year 2017 on so many parameters by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And I have come to see it personally. I am amazed with the facilities provided for the public, the reception center, the SI desks where the public, there is petitioners can go and represent their cases. The various other new facilities which have been provided, like the library, the lunch rooms, the toilets, restrooms, and the file work which has been done. It is very systematic. All the files have been kept very neatly. A gym is present. Solar power is also being used. So it is innovative policing in every way, and we thank the state government for giving all the resources necessary. This police station also gets rupees 75,000 per month for maintenance, feeding of people who have been detained, and for purchase of stationery and other things, which is not there in other states. So it is a really beautiful facility for the police to function in a free and fair manner.
We will see a more police station like this, Panjagutta police station, in Hyderabad Commissioner Zone, sir.
Yes, I'll be making a lot of surprise visits, which is usually my style, at various points and various times of the day, night time, and just check up the functioning of the various police stations. Not only this, traffic regulation is also going to be important. I'll be checking up on the traffic functioning, crime detection, and so there's so many new things which have been brought into Telangana police. And since I have come back recently from central deputation, I'm just getting acquainted with all this, and we'll carry forward all the programs.
During your tenure as traffic chief, sir, we saw tremendous improvement in traffic situation in Hyderabad. So now you are city chief, city police chief. How and what is your vision for Hyderabad traffic in particular? How you will improve? And because
Yes.
traffic is still a big concern,
Yes.
and vehicles are increasing day by day.
Yes, traffic management is one function of police which touches 100% of the population of the area, and that's why it's always going to be my top priority, one of the top priorities. So basically, regulation of traffic, there are several innovative ways in which you can do it to streamline. Well, last time when I was Commissioner of Traffic here, we had introduced a lot of free lefts. Then we had closed down a lot of medians, gaps in medians, so that traffic flow is more smooth without any breaks. Accidents were reduced due to that. Then reversible lanes, wherever heavy traffic is there on one side, we open extra lane. Then on the reverse side, again in the evening, we close it. So such things will be adopted now, so that public does not feel the stress of getting stuck up in traffic jams. That will be the main aspect. And to be on the roads with them, senior officers have to be with them with the men, the constables, the home guards. Only then they'll get the courage to function in this adverse conditions.
Many metros they have lane driving. In Hyderabad, we don't see lane driving.
It is. I have examined this in the past too, whether it's possible, but because of the lack of uniform width of roads in Hyderabad, it is not possible. It's not a practical solution in Hyderabad city, because suddenly once you will have 4 lanes, then the same road will become 2 lanes ahead. So it is not practically feasible in old cities, like ancient cities like Hyderabad, which have a lot of historical background. New cities can be planned like that, but for lane driving, where you have a uniform width of roads throughout. but here it is a little difficult and not practical.
Thank you so much.